policy in place for the protection of our staff. We have markings on the floor, so we have a one-way system. We have signs on the toilets that there is only one in and one out. We have hand sanitizers at all the exits and entrances to the building. We supply PPE, so we supply masks and gloves. We do a temperature check every morning and we document it to ensure everyone is below the legal limit. It's very well ventilated in the factory. We have the doors open, we have all the windows open, and all of our machinists wear masks constantly. Even our students and our machinists wear masks at all times and gloves. We have Pam cleaning our factory every day. She goes around every single part of the factory to ensure that it's clean, so she's constantly cleaning 24/7.